let's review the new tills at Card Factory. So they are the same system as the old ones, except now you've got nice square buttons there, where it used to just be like lined between each item, and it had a more sort of 3D look. So I like this one better just because it looks more like a proper till with square buttons. Then you've got more rectangle buttons. I like this sort of navy blue purpley colour. That's a good colour. Then you've got more buttons there, which I like. And then here where the numbers are, now they used to have round buttons, but now it's just numbers literally on the background, which looks really modern. And I have to say, I actually like this because I could almost imagine there being square buttons there instead of round buttons. So I like this design, plus you've got more buttons down the side. And then this is my favourite screen here, so you've got cash amounts there. I like those buttons, but then you could press the other amount and it would enable you to type in the amount and press enter. Or I guess you could just type in the amount and press that lovely blue cash button. I like this design and I love those cash buttons. Tell me your thoughts in the comments, and thank you for watching.